Hello, and welcome to your free online training. Come and meet your trainer.
This is $10,000 in my hand right here. This is the amount of money that I make every single day with my online business. And in this free training that I'm giving you an invitation to, I'm not only going to show you how you can make the same sort of money exactly how I do, but I'm going to be giving this money away to attendees of this limited time training. Now, I will be going over how to make money online in this training using nothing more than a computer. Using nothing more than a computer. No sales. This doesn't involve any talking to people or calling people up on the phone asking them for money. This doesn't involve any buying products from China to sell them on Amazon or eBay, any drop shipping, e-commerce sort of stuff. This doesn't require you to have any sort of virtual assistants where you're taking work and outsourcing it to people and you still have to deal with employees. And this doesn't require you to build up or have any sort of social media following, being popular on Instagram or YouTube or any of that stuff. All this training we'll be going over is how you can use a computer to earn money that goes directly into your bank account without talking to anybody and making this sort of money. And let me actually show you my actual stats right here of what I'm doing every single day. So this is just one of my accounts, and what you'll see here, this is the amount of money I'm earning every single day, and you'll see there's a surprising amount of consistency here. $6,498 on Tuesday, $3,828 on Monday, $5,795 on Sunday. And here you can see these are the amounts. This is the amount I'm making each month from my business. You'll see last month I made $339,579. Pretty cool, right? This month I've already on track. I'm almost $299,000. Zoom in on that. Zoom in on that. Check this out. That's real money. But what's more interesting is I'm going to be showing you exactly how I do it on this live training. Now, if you're watching this training, if you're watching this video, you're one of very few people. Because what I'm going to be teaching on this, first off, this is for a very limited time. And this is only for a very limited number of students. The big education companies don't want me revealing this information to you. The big education companies don't want you to know that you can actually become successful without having an overpriced education. And the corporations don't want you to know that you can actually earn a living without working a job and being confined to an hourly wage, without being confined to a monthly salary. That you can make enough money to be financially free, working for yourself. Imagine how amazing it would be to be able to spend more time with your family instead of having to drive, to wake up an alarm each day, to drive to work, to deal with people at work that you wouldn't even be friends with in real life. I used to have a job and I thought most of the people I worked with were losers. And I said the only reason I'm hanging out with them is because I'm working this God-forbidding job. Imagine how great it would be if you could quit that. Imagine how great it would be if maybe you're retired and you could earn extra money to supplement your income and live a more full, a more experienced life, travel. You can do all this when you have an online business to support you. You don't need any technical skills. You don't need to talk to anybody to do sales. You don't need a social media following. You don't need to hire employees. All you need is a computer and internet connection to do this. Now, if you want to sign up for this training, we're taking limited numbers of students. If you're seeing this, you want to register immediately because this will be going fast. You can register. There should be a link either above or below or to the side of this video. Make sure you sign up for this training, and you will be given more information about when your training time is so you can get started. I look forward to helping you change your life. Sorry, that was a weird burp. You change your life, and see you soon.
Click the links below for more information. Click subscribe and turn on the notification button for more related videos to come.